20th?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Gonna fly my Trex-450 Pro out here at our flying spot. Just got through doing the flybarless upgrade on it. Switched it to the Beast with a Align DFC450 flybarless head on it, and gonna buzz it around.
First flight after rebuild from a flybar helicopter to a flybarless from a Trex. Buzz the tow truck.
Boy, I didn't like that loop.
That tow truck kind of mess you up for a minute?
No. No, it's not flying right. It's not flying right at all. Phew, man. No, I think what it is, remember how the tail was going crazy and idle up in stunt mode? And I got over there when I did that loop, and it came out of that loop, the tail went crazy, and then man, I had a hard time getting it back. But I think it's just gyro gain on the stunt mode. Because when I flipped it out of stunt over there, then I got control back, you know, and it seemed to be fine.
Now don't do an Astra and try and do flips without being an idle up, okay?
No, I won't do that.
I don't want to see you hit the ground. Well, some more radio adjustments with it. It'll be flying really nice.
Because see, in normal mode, it's doing just fine.
You had me scared there for a second. It looked like you were setting yourself up for a loop.
No. The tail's a little crooked. I may need to just, my tail's cocked a little bit to the right, I can see. Yeah, so I may need to just get that dialed in a little bit tighter, and then I think it'd be all right. It's probably why I have to get my gains so different too. Yeah, I saw that. Nothing major though. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys.